I hope you children receive the link in the chat box as well as in the classroom.
Ma'am, we have to only write CET, no?
Yeah. Write the CET. This is day 1, which you are going to do today. Tomorrow also we are going to solve it. Some part. Okay. Solve this in your notebook. No need to write the question, only write the answers. But the numbering of the question should be proper. If you are doing question number 5 instead of 1, so write the answer 5. Am I clear to everyone? Any confusion to any child?
What, ma'am? Can you repeat? I can't hear you.
See, if you don't know the question number 1 and you know directly the question number 5th, so in place of when you are doing the question number 5th as first question, so write answer 5th, not the answer 1. Right? Numbering of the question should be proper. I don't want that you to write the question, only write the answers.
Ma'am, title we have to write head.
Heading, which heading? CET?
Fill in the blanks.
Yes, yes. Title you need to write. I'm going to read the questions for you all.
Ma'am, in the first one, we have to do the fraction only, no?
Let me present the screen and we'll explain you. My screen is visible to you all?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I
Write
can't
the-
understand question 1.
I am reading from the beginning. Please listen. Write the fraction whose numerator is 4 and the denominator is 7. Arrange them in the form of a fraction.
Okay, ma'am.
Numerator is 4 and the denominator is 7. Arrange it in the form of a fraction. Complete the multiplication pattern. 2 multiplied by 5 is equal to 10. 2 multiplied by 50 equals to 100. To see the pattern and follow it. No talking, please, offline students.
Ma'am, in the first one means we have to write in numbers, no?
These are the only numbers given and you need to arrange them in the numerator and the denominator. How to write the fraction? Number 3, if the pattern continue, then what is the next pattern? Only one blank.
Ma'am, we have
Yes, please speak.
to write the whole fill up.
You only write the answer. What is the length of the boundary of a circle called? Number 5, what fraction of the circle below is shaded? Number 6, recognize the pattern and write the rule. Yeah, here you write the rule, which rule they are following, not the pattern. If the radius of a circle is 6 centimeter, the diameter will be what? A top number of a fraction is known as what? You know there are two one up and down. Decode this message. 10. Alpha, you have learned decoding and decoding of the patterns when I taught you in the class.
Yes, ma'am, we have learned.
No, I'm talking with Jignesh. Jignesh, we have letters are having the numbers A1, B is 2, and C is D. According to the numbers which are given, find their letters and decode what is coming. Some word will come out from this message. And
Which number we have to decode? Which?
my dear, it's written no numbers 10, 21, 13, and 16. Am I clear, Vihan Dobariya?
Okay.
The numbers are given to you. You need to find the letters. And when you find the letters, some word will come out. Meaningful word will come out from this message.
Ma'am, in the last means in this second one answer, I have written 2 multiplied by what the
Give
answer
me 1
is.
minute, Moksh. No, diameter is 28 centimeter. The length of the longest cord is what? जब diameter 28 है and you know the longest cord is what? है ना? तो उसकी length कितनी होगी? just a twist किया गया है and it is given answer in the question only. Whatever you have understood from the learnings which we have done till now, please do it on that basis. No asking here. Yes, Moksha, tell me. Whatever you understood.
Ma'am, in the second one, I have written 2 multiplied by what the answer is coming, so it is okay, no?
You need to write the answer.
Excuse me, Renu ma'am, there was an internet connection at my house. I joined now, so what you are doing?
We are doing this assessment CET which we had told you, no, that we are going to do chapter 8, 9, 10. Link is already posted in the classroom. You can go to the classroom and see the link.
Oh, okay.
And
So,
please
ma'am,
solve this in the revision notebook and attach the pictures.
ma'am, so we have to write only answers, no?
Only answers. Numbering of the questions should be proper. Sorry. Then answer the following questions. Decode the secret messages. Means these are the some numbers given to you, and these numbers have some alphabets. And when you decode these matches, you will get a meaningful word. Dividing a whole into 4 equal parts. Each part represent what? When you are completing dividing each, so what will be the each part in the fraction also and in the numbers also. Recognize the pattern and write the rule. Here you don't follow the pattern that 65 ke baad 70 or the next will be 75. No, you need to write the rule of the pattern, what they are doing each time. Are they adding, are they subtracting something, are they multiplying something? That rule I want. Next is write the fraction 3 out of 5. Is how you are going to write it in the form of a fraction. Number 5, choose the next term out of the given alternatives D4, F6, H8, J10. So what will be the next two? The length from center of the circle to its boundary is called what? Which of the following can be used to trace a biggest circle, bangle or a cap of a pen? Solve the following tower and find which number will be on the top. Number 9 question. Which of the following is circular in shape? Blackboard, chapati, 100 rupee note or a mobile phone? Next is diameter of a circle is 28 centimeter. The length of the longest chord is what? So it is very easy. Read the questions properly. If you have any doubt, read the questions twice. I want the full statements in these answers here also. If exam is written as this, exam का कुछ कोड है कि E के बाद F है, X, A B C D E F, X Y A B M N. इस एग्जाम से ये वर्ड बनाया है, तो क्या स्कूल से इसका कोड बना सकते हो? Yes, statement.
Hello, ma'am. In the 9 one, we have to write the shape's name, no?
Which name?
Shape a name, no?
In the 9th one.
Yes, ma'am.
Question 1/9.
Yes,
A
ma'am.
simple closed curve is what? Which shape? Read it properly. Check it again.
Are you congratulating what would I am not able to listen?
Which question?
First is
Diameter of a circle is 28 centimeter. And you know diameter is the longest chord. Right? They are now asking what will be the length of a longest chord. The answer is given in the question only. Dividing a whole means complete thing, into 4 equal parts. Each part will be what? In the fraction.
You have to write the fraction.
hello, ma'am. In the second question, first one, I can write somewhere that numbers of letters.
You can. We can draw a circle, nail rope, and if the diameter of a two is, find the radius of the circle. It's up to you. Done. Keep it with you. I'll collect. Exam is written in this way. So just think how they have written the code of an exam. Same way, write the code of a school. E का next letter F लिया है, X का next letter is Y, right? A का next letter B. तो ऐसे करके they have made the code for the exam. Will you able to form the code for the school in the same way? Yes or no? Hare, what happened? Give me 1 minute, students. Yeah, I'll see. Give me 1 minute.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, please speak.
I mean, the means paper, there is nothing like we have to make a means code of school.
My dear, that will be if once your this part will complete, then I will send the link of another part. If another part link will be tomorrow. Okay? Not
Okay.
today. Once everyone complete the first part of this, then I will send the link for the next part. Read the questions. Araf Hapani is present. Arush Miani. Arth. Arth, you are online present. Deer online present. Dwani.
Yes, ma'am.
Diva.
Present.
And what about Earth?
Ma'am, I am online.
Okay. Hare, present. Harsh Keshwani, online. Hiya,
Yes, ma'am.
Jignesh, Krisha, Lakshadola, are you present online?
Yes, ma'am.
Mohammed Momin, Moin, Moksha Patel, Pragyan, Ritika, Shivani Shivangani, Vedi, Riha, Vihan Vyas,
Hello, ma'am. In the second one, we have to write in words also, no?
second one, which question?
Ma'am, question 2 second.
Dividing a whole into 4 equal parts.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, in fraction and words.
Okay, ma'am.
Which of the following can be used to trace a biggest circle? Bangle or a cap of a pen? Bangle. Done. Read this. Do this also. It is very easy. Just see. You will just observe it properly. Answers are given in this only.
Ma'am, what is spelling of quarter?
Moksh. Think, Moksh. Here. Who is making noise? Kevan, lot of voices coming table. Who is moving his table?
Ma'am,
Yes.
I don't understand the question two, third one.
Okay. Is Dania there in the class? Dania online? No? Yes. Manya, I will answer your query. One Meet. Which question you are asking?
Question
Question.
two, third.
Recognize the pattern and write the rule. So when you see the pattern 40, then after 40, 45, then 50. So you need to write the rule of the pattern, that are they adding something? Are they subtracting something? And if they are adding, till what number they are adding? And if they're subtracting, what they are numbers subtracting? If they're multiplying, so what they're multiplying? We have learned the rules also, no, about the pattern. So observe the rule and write. Got
Okay,
it?
ma'am.
Yes, Manya.
Yes.
Ma'am, I was asking the same question, but I didn't understand.
Till now.
No, ma'am, I didn't understand.
See, Manya, after 40, 45 is coming. So what have you observed? What is being done? 45 ke baad 50 is coming, 55. So each time what they are doing?
Plus 5.
Yes. So this is the rule.
Okay, ma'am. So in the blank, we have to write plus 5.
No, in the blank you need to write that each time they are adding 5. This is the rule.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, but I have written that only, but in different
No
language.
problem. I will see your language, what you have written. Okay. One dairy milk chocolate with 12 pieces is to be divided into 4 persons. So how many pieces will each will get? Yes, these 12 pieces are divided among the 4 persons. So each person will get how many pieces? That you need to check whether some remainder is coming or not. Done, complete?
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Write the proper statement also and do this also. Yes, Rihan, please speak.
I am only the doubt in the first one. I've done all, but only the first one.
No, I will not accept this that you will leave this. First one down.
Yeah, only.
You decode the message.
No, not that one.
Then fill in the blank first one.
Yeah.
My dear, numerator is 4 and the denominator is 7 and you need to arrange them in the fraction. In the fraction, what you will write in the numerator and what you will write in the denominator.
Oh, okay.
I think you forgot everything, students, right? Yes, Dwani.
Ma'am, can you explain me question number 2? Answer the question.
Mohammed.
Question 2, question 2.
Question? Sit
Question
here.
2.
Question 1, right?
Yeah.
It is very easy. I don't know why, what you children are not practicing or what. Dividing a whole. Whole means a complete thing. If you divide, and whole we always see in the form of a circular form mein agar we see, and if you divide that thing into the 4 equal parts, each part will be what? Dwani, if you know, please write the answer. If you don't know, leave it. Is Dhyan Patel there in the class?
Hello, ma'am. In the question 2, question 2, question 8.
What happened?
Ma'am, in the question 2, 8, 1, I have drawn that full thing. So
Haan,
it's
okay, okay. Read it properly. No statement is compulsory to write. Students, in the story problem, statement is compulsory to write. Full. Check it from back also, here also. See, I don't want to give you. Please, there is still time.
Ma'am,
Till
but
9:31. Yes, please speak.
ma'am, in our worksheet there is no
No,
story.
I told you something in the beginning. I think you know that. Yes, na? Then why repeated question again? Is Mantra there in the class? Mantra? Yes, he is there. Nishwa? Nishwa, Niva, Rajvi, Nikare?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Rajveer is there?
Yes, ma'am.
Where is he? Can you speak something, Rajveer?
Ma'am, in the answer 5 and 9, I haven't written
1 upon 2 of them are girls. Half.
option C or D. I have only written the answer.
Don't write the answer, yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
I have a doubt in 8th one.
Vishrut, whatever you know, you write the answers. Rest, you please leave.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have done, so I can send you.
Wait a minute. This bangle, a chudi. This is called bangle. Read it. When I will collect net 9:35, only everyone has to submit. Read everything.
Ma'am, at 9:35 only we have to submit, no?
By that
Ma'am,
time, you can read and check.
excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, please.
Ma'am, in the question number 4, write the fraction 3 out of 5. You have to write story or the fraction only.
By using these numbers, you need to arrange them in the fraction.
Okay.
If I say 9 out of 10, so how teacher will mark 9 out of 10? She gives in the form of a fraction, right? Got it, Dwani?
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
When I will check it.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Aradhya, please ask.
Like the question number 2, the eighth one we have to do with the pencil, no? The circles.
Eighth one.
Yeah. We have to
Huh.
do with the pencil, no?
Pencil. It's up to you, pencil or pen, but it should be neat. Rajvi Lahoti is there? Didi?
Ma'am, in fifth one, I didn't saw the options and I wrote the answer directly.
It's your fault.
So I need to write the numbers like A, B, C, D,
No,
or
no, no. The complete answer. Complete answer.
okay,
If you
then
are
it's
writing the option that A, B, C, I will not give you marks in that, students, please.
okay.
If there are options given, you need to write the complete answer. For example, in the seventh one, bangle or a cap, whichever the answer is that, you need to write the complete answer, not A and B. No, I will not check.
Or like B, cap of a pen, like that.
हाँ ये मैं बाद में लिखूंगी लिखा है ना थोड़ी कंसल्ट करके लिखना Tajvi Lahote is there? Viva is there? Suchi is there in the class? Suchi online? Yes, she's there. Read this. I will collect the paper at 9:35. By that time, you should keep your paper with you. Yes, please.
Ma'am, in the 8 one, we have to make the tower.
Yes, complete tower.
Ma'am, I will send you.
No problem. I'll check. Be ready tomorrow also. Some part of the test is also pending, which will be taken tomorrow.
Ma'am, tomorrow there will be 9, 10.
Same chapters 8, 9, 10.
Okay, ma'am.
Only very few questions are left, which will be taken tomorrow. Come prepare. No talking, please. We can draw a circle using nail and rope. If the length of a rope is 2 meters, find the radius of the circle. Or the circle will only draw with the radius. And rope, they are using a rope, putting a nail, drawing a circle with 2 centimeters. Then what will be the radius of a circle? No, read it properly.
In this way to draw the circle.
It's up to you. Exam, the code of exam is this. CE, after E they have written F, after X they have written this. So how you will find the code for the school? खुद बनाओ. No talking, please.
Ma'am, can you, ma'am, I can't understand the last question.
Read this carefully. The answer is in the question only. When you read it properly, you will able to understand it. You all know that the diameter is the longest chord and the measurement of the diameter is given. So what will be the length of the diameter? Just it's a little twisted, but if you understand the language, the answer is given in the question only.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can I go to washroom?
Yes, please go. Think, see, observe this and this both, and then find the code for this. Go. And it's just check whether you are doing it correctly when you are dividing something, when you are distributing something, it's a division. something. Something will come after F.
Ma'am, did you got my submitted?
I will check it, beta.
Excuse me, Renu ma'am.
Yes, please.
I have done the CT. We have to send now.
If possible, send now or before 10 o'clock. Okay. Okay, thank you, students. Submit your work before 10 o'clock.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, bye.
Thank you.
Ma'am, have a nice